Drone TV, voice of drone technology. Introducing Saurabh and his team from Copter Innovations, Tirupati.
Good evening, sir. My name is Diya Modi and I'm from Drone TV. What's your name and where you're from?
I'm Saurabh, and we are from Tirupati. It's Copter Innovations, Tirupati,
Okay.
a Tirupati-based company. So we are focusing on manufacturing the drone frames, right? So we are making the monocoque drone frames,
Okay.
lighter yet very very stronger, and we are providing all the drone frames to the customers which can, they want customizable drone frames basically.
Okay.
Yeah, and we have a drone as well here. This is our first product. So after the drone frames, it's a proper full-fledged drone product we have made in-house. So this will be, this is having a 37-minute flight time as well.
Okay.
And we are going to push some more limits with this now, and then we'll
great.
get it certified, then we'll sell it. Yeah.
Okay. What inspired you to get into this industry, to start your business in this industry?
I think in terms of uses, every soldier must have a drone in his
Yeah.
hand. That is the one thing. It's in defense case,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
And nowadays, we don't want any company, Indian company, to import their frames from China. We want to develop here in India. We want to supply from here itself. That is our motive. So this
Okay.
inspired us. We saw a gap here, and then we started this.
That's really amazing, sir.
Thank
Okay. Have you faced any challenges because of drone rules or regulations?
No, not yet. It is good actually.
Yeah.
The drone rules are becoming quite favorable with the course of time, and government is also helping all of us. But still, there are a few gaps which needs to be filled. And the moment the voids are getting filled, then we will go ahead with more advancements. Still, we are just getting started.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
really amazing. Okay, what would make drones safer to use in public spaces?
Can you answer this?
Yeah.
So reliability is the first thing. What, how we are making the drones. So first thing in mind, if we are flying not on the public, anywhere. So reliability is the first thing which
Yeah.
we take care when we are building the drone. The
Okay.
first thing, and again, how secure it is.
Yeah.
With it. So these are the main key factors: reliability and security of the drone. And again, the thing, the person who is operating the drone.
Yeah.
He
true.
also has to take care where he's flying, so he must be aware of the things. What this drone can do if it's going somewhere else or somebody else hitting it. So that
Yeah,
thing they
yeah.
have to take care the risk and mitigation
Yeah,
before
that's
flying
true.
the drone. So that awareness is very important. And the drone side, reliability, safety is the first concern if somebody is using in public.
Okay, that's true. So that's actually true. Okay. What do you think drones will be used for 10 years from now?
So if we are looking here now, from the 5 years behind the line,
Okay.
we are looking in each and every sector, drones are playing a vital role.
Yeah.
And if we are looking for 10 years after now, we'll see in every minute drone is flying over our head, whether they are keeping the medicine, we are taking the parcels, or somebody is doing surveying, mapping, anything. So drones will be will play a vital role in day-to-day living as well. This will be a part of our lives. That's now we have mobile phones.
Yeah, just
Everyone is
like
having
mobile.
mobile phones. Using the same way, drone will come into picture, and it will be a part of the life.
We want medical, fraternity to adopt drones as much as possible, because we don't want anybody die just not getting the organs. So we want organs to be transported properly, and nobody should die. That is our main motive as of now, thinking about the transportation through drones. Yeah. So 5 years behind, it wasn't the same case, but
Okay.
now we'll see more advancements.
That's really thoughtful. That's really great, sir. Okay, what do you think drones are most commonly used for nowadays?
For surveillance, we are using, which is a very nice case, and soon we are catching up for our securing our borders also with the
Yeah.
with drones. So that is a very nice case, use case that should be implemented as much as possible by our government, and government is doing great work with that.
Yeah, that's true.
They are pushing our limits.
Okay, sir. Okay. Do you use drones in your business or plan to in the future? Like, for what purpose? Briefly, can you just brief us about it? For what purpose would you use your drones mostly?
So our major target for the drones for surveillance and mapping, where we can use it as of now. But we are planning to provide other sectors where drone can use for delivery and other purposes as well. But basically, it will go for like in case of defense, it will provide a surveillance
Yeah.
for the small size of the drones. And if you are talking about the bigger size of the drones, they can help a lot in delivering that like necessity things in condition where it's very hard to reach places like if we're talking about the Leh Ladakh. There's a 3-4 months gap where no one is able to send the like daily needs to the
Yeah.
our soldiers. So we can use drones over there, heavy lifting drone. They can supply all the things, all the stuff to the check post from the main center. Or in the other field, like for small drones, they can work as a surveillance, mapping all this, training as well. From the beginning, we have like training schools. They are also using these kind of drones.
Yeah.
So we have a use cost less from 250 grams to the 250 kgs.
Yeah, yeah.
So there is a lot of use case of the drones depending on all the like sectors and all the applications.
Okay, that's really great. So thank you so much. I really like the idea of yours of the hospital thing.
Yes.
The idea of the hospital. That's
Yes.
really thoughtful. That's really great. So thank you so much. It was great
Thank you.
talking to
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in. Contact us at +917 5201 23555.